What's up, guys? So I got two BMW engines right now, n54s, manual transmission, automatic transmission. And a lot of friends have asked me, how do you take out a torque converter on an automatic transmission? And here, I'll show you how. It's a little tricky if you don't really know about these engines. Okay, so I'm pretty sure there is 6 bolts around the torque converter, and all you're gonna do is find this little cap located on the back side. So let's just go to the back side underneath, and let's see, there it is. So this cap is just gonna be right there. Just pull it out, and then there should be your bolt access. Okay, and all you're gonna need is a ratchet and a 17mm socket. Yes, the deep socket. I tried it with the short one, but you can tell right here, that's where it rubs on the side of the engine. So just get a 17mm deep socket with a just normal wrench, and that's gonna do the job. This is what the bolts look like after you're done taking them out. And good luck, guys. Alrighty, so just in case you guys are wondering how I got each bolt to that hole, all I did is grab this with both of my hands and just twist. It's pretty simple. It gets a little hard because it builds up compression inside the engine, but it doesn't take that much muscle to do this. And then just pull it right off and it'll be good. Here's what it looks like once you took this part off. This thing just goes in there and just tug on it left and right. Well, alrighty guys, well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and see you next time.